Guys, we are back at Tyburn Road, so the other side of the roof has been done now, so I think this is pretty much fully done. Well, the roof is fully done. It's been a bit of delays on this one, just some issues really, just a loss, it's just a tragedy, and so rip out is well and truly underway, and as is the decorating. So you can see all the floorings come off, carpeting's come off, all that sort of stuff, and that just needs a bit more stripping. The floorboard has been fixed, it's been fixed over there, the doors have come off, the wire is starting to come down, back is pretty much cleared. I mean, this should be relatively straightforward. It's just minor, well, it's just a lot of stuff that needs to be fixed here and there. So for example, there'll be damp issue, but other than that, it's just redecorating throughout. So you see that cover needs to be fixed. Extractor fan is extractor fan in here is quite rickety, it's quite noisy, so that needs to be cleaned. This is mostly, thankfully, mostly cosmetics. I think the main issue was actually the roof, all that along there, so that's been sorted. Can't see any. That's the damp there. Strip back, and then just the final room. So yeah, the plan is the whole team is here now, so they're just solely focused on this project only, just to catch up, and once that's done, then move on to the next project. Alright, see you.